Hi everyone, welcome back our LT Toy channel. Today we will test the function on the MJS B20. Okay, now we test the orbit mode on the MJS B20. So let's go to the flight menu. So you can see it have follow me, orbit flight and headless mode. So let's try the orbit flight. In the orbit flight, the orbit point is 10 meters away from front of the drone. So okay, so set right to orbit flight. So now it is in orbit flight. So this is how the orbit flight moves in the MJS B20. Okay, so now we try the follow me mode. Under the follow me, the drone camera lens will keep pointing at the mobile phone and away stay at a relative distance from the phone. So set to the right. So now it is on follow me. It is in follow me mode. So now let's try the waypoint mission on the MJS B20. So now the drone is low battery, so we're doing fast. Now we just tap on the map and choose the point. So let me try tap the mission point. 2, 3, 4. After tap of the point, so now we let's submit. Set right to waypoint flight. Okay, so now we start the waypoint mission. In the map you can see the drone icon. So now it is in the first point and now it's in the second point. See the FPV, yeah. Now it's in the third point, and now it is going the last point. Yes. So it's already end. So this is the waypoint mission on the MJS Bus 20. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe our YouTube channel. Stay tuned for our next video. Goodbye. Bye.